So here's how you perform a factory reset on a Kwikset Halo Smart Lock. First, you take the battery out, then you press and hold this center button, then you put the battery back in. Now you need to press and hold this button for 30 seconds and it'll flash at you. Once that time is up and it flashes at you and beeps, you release the button and press it again. You'll know whether or not you were successful because you should see it go through its bolt alignment procedure, so it will determine which way the lock is installed. There we go. Now I'm going to press it again. It'll cycle through green and red lights here, and then it'll go through the bolt alignment. Now it knows which way the bolt is set up and the reset procedure is completed. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm Robert with Acme Locksmith. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.